Hi, I'm Tim with Wasatch Elevate. If your website isn't actively engaging visitors and turning them into leads, you're likely missing opportunities every single day. We help businesses solve that by turning their websites into 24/7 AI-powered sales tools that talk to visitors, answer questions, and book appointments automatically. Today we're talking about getting found on Google. Let me show you how this works. When someone's AC breaks down in July, they're not asking a neighbor for a recommendation. They're grabbing their phone and searching Google, right now with urgency. The question is, are you showing up when they do? Most HVAC companies have a website, but having a website and being found on Google are two very different things. Google needs specific signals to know who you are, where you are, and what you do. And if those signals aren't there, you're invisible to the very customers who need you most. Here's what actually moves the needle. First, your Google business profile. This is the listing that shows up with your phone number, hours, reviews, and location when someone searches for HVAC near them. If it's not fully optimized, with photos, accurate service categories, and regular posts, you're losing ground to competitors who are, second, location pages. If you serve multiple cities, each one needs its own dedicated page on your website. Google ranks pages, not businesses. AC repair in Plano and AC repair in Frisco are different searches, and you need a page for each one to show up for both. Third, consistent content. Google rewards websites that stay active. A blog post answering a question your customers are already asking, like, how much does a furnace replacement cost? Or, when should I replace my AC? Tells Google your site is current, relevant, and worth ranking. And fourth, reviews. Fresh Google reviews are one of the strongest local ranking signals there is. The more you get, and the more consistently you get them, the higher you climb. The good news? All of this is exactly what we do at Wasatch Elevate. We handle your Google business profile, build out your location pages, create your content, and automate your review requests. So your business gets found by the right people at exactly the right moment. If you're ready to stop being invisible on Google and start turning searches into booked jobs, visit wasatchelevate.com or click the link below to schedule a free strategy call. I'm Tim with Wasatch Elevate, and I'll see you in the next one.